So, in this video, I'm going to share what I know and think about the Nabatean people. I'm going to highlight who they were in the past and who they are today. And also, I will highlight some misunderstandings about the original people of the desert. Okay, so the Nabateans are people from the Arabian island. Originally, they were from Saudi Arabia of today. They were nomadic people. They lived in tents and raised goats and sheep, same as the Bedouins of today. These Nabateans also took part in trading, which you can say it's common considering the fact that the Nabateans are from the Arabian island, and they traveled with their camels in what is called the incense trade route, and you know nomadic lifestyle of traveling from place to place. So, the Nabateans, presumably, they migrated into the area of Jordan country during the biblical times when the Edomites migrated into Negev desert. Also, throughout history, the Nabateans are also found in Negev desert and Sinai desert and also Judean desert. So, the Nabateans founded themselves in the southern mountain region of Jordan, also called in biblical times Edom. So these Nabateans, they lived in these rocks and mountains area, and they carved these special structures which are tourist attraction today. For example, the Al-Khazaneh, which means the treasure. You also can see in the city of Petra many caves and tombs that the Nabateans carved in the rocks, and they lived there. Those tombs and caves were their homes. Today, the local Bedouins who roam the city and give tour guides to tourists live in those caves like their ancestors, the Nabateans. So, during the 1st century, during the time of Nabatean kingdom, all of these structures were built and founded. The Nabateans are masters of desert, and they build these water systems and tunnels carved through the stones, and were able to live there with a population of 30,000 people. So, very impressive. Let's see. Skipping to the 16th, 6th, 7th century AD, the Nabatean kingdom ended due to whatever events. These Nabateans disappeared. They dispersed throughout the lands to the desert of Negev and Sinai and Judean desert and many other places also. And today they are known as the Bedouins. In the Arabic language, Bedu means nomads, so they are known today as the nomadic Bedouins. Now, considering the fact that the Nabatean kingdom predate Islam and Muhammad and the Abbasid Caliphate in at least 500 years back, the Nabateans are the real and original roots of the Arabian civilization, history and genetics. And the Bedouin people are the real people of the Arabian desert, which in these photos that you see, some of these local Bedouins from parts of the Middle East, their tan skin color is what highlights their originality in the desert, of people that live for thousands of years under the sun of the Arabian desert. This shows their originality to the place, their lifestyle and culture. The Bedouins, like the Canaanites nations that are extinct today and only live in our genetical tract, are also from the Caucasus or the Caucasian racial descent, and both of them are on the J1 and J2 haplogroup of Y chromosome of male lineage line. So, up until this point, we see who were the Nabateans in the past and who are they today. In the next video, I will show the difference in origin of the so-called Palestinians, Syrians, Lebanese and Iraqi people, which are in some sense a different genetical and ethnical groups that shares only a little bit of genetical heritage with the Nabateans. considering the Islamic conquest in the 6th century AD. You are welcome.